The saboteur within, resistance, trauma, and the gentle path. There exists a cruel and quiet bewilderment in the soul that longs for growth, and yet retreats. You set your intentions, craft your plans, even feel the warmth of hope's first flicker. And then you vanish. Your journal gathers dust, your routines collapse, your courage melts like snow in spring. And the cruelest voice of all is the one that lives inside, whispering, "It's always you who ruins it." But what if it's not sabotage? What if it is protection misread as betrayal? There are parts of us forged in the fires of earlier wounds. Young selves who learned, rightly or wrongly, that success was dangerous, that consistency led to loss, that visibility invited harm. And so these inner protectors, often mistaken for saboteurs, do not hate your growth. They fear it. They remember what your conscious mind has tried to forget. Picture, if you will, a wild horse. Her stall stands open, the pastures golden and boundless beyond. But she does not gallop. She bolts sideways, circles, kicks up dust. She flees not the gate, but the memory of the lash, the snap of ropes, the scent of traps dressed as freedom. Her keeper weeps, misunderstanding her terror as rebellion. But the wise handler waits, speaks soft words, offers apples in open palms. No lasso, no whip, only trust. In time, the mare steps forward, not forced but welcomed. This is the way of the Tao, the path of non-coercion, and the insight of the inner depths, what Jung called the shadow. You do not heal resistance by crushing it. You soothe it by listening. When your routines unravel, ask not, "What's wrong with me?" but rather, "Who inside me still feels unsafe?" Your inner saboteur may be a younger you, curled in a corner, pleading for gentleness. Will you punish her or sit beside her? To change does not require war with the self. It requires reunion. It requires honoring the fear behind the freeze, the grief behind the procrastination, the wisdom inside the avoidance. And so ask yourself, where have you confused safety with sabotage? Where does your inner wildness need reassurance, not discipline? In the next chapter, we will uncover the art of momentum, the first steps of becoming. But today, offer compassion to the part of you that fears freedom. She is not weak. She is waiting.